Now in this video, we'll start looking at the phase change phenomena of a pure substance. To understand this, let us take a sample of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So this is ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius, that is point A. Now we add some sensible heat to it, and by adding some sensible heat, the temperature rises from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius ice, and that is state B. Now what happens is, in going from state A to state B, that is the temperature increment from minus 10 to 0 degrees Celsius, slight formation of liquid is there. Not entirely, the liquid formation starts at point B. Okay, so in doing so, a little bit of volume increase is visualized over here. Okay, now in going from B to C, this is the addition of latent heat. So anywhere in between B to C, you have a mixture of solid and liquid. Okay, so when you keep on adding heat past or beyond point B, you have more liquid creation and the amount of solid would keep on decreasing. Right, now at point C, the entire ice would melt and you only will have liquid water. So here you will have liquid water, and you can see that from this point or this state to state C, there is a drop in volume. There is a drop in volume. Why? Because the density of liquid water is heavier as compared to ice. Okay, so there will be a slight drop in the volume of the liquid water. Now from C to D, you again add sensible heat. Upon adding sensible heat, it reaches point D. So this is the saturation temperature, which is 100 degrees Celsius, and this is entirely right now liquid water. Okay, now you keep on adding heat to the substance or water beyond point D, so that would give you a liquid plus vapor mixture. Beyond point D, you will have some creation of water vapors, and this is the water vapor content and this is the liquid content. So that is mixture M2. This was M1. Right, now at point E, what happens is, when you come from D to E, that is the entire liquid now changes into vapor entirely. We recognize a considerable increase in the volume because the specific volume at this state is very high. So it expands further. So this is what happens. There is a considerable increase in volume in going from state D to state E. Now this is entirely vapor. So this is 100 degrees Celsius water vapor. Now from 100 degrees Celsius water vapor, you again keep on giving it the sensible heat and you reach state F. So this is the superheated state, and here the specific volume is very high, and you can see the amount of expansion that has been done in going from state E to state F. Still vapor. This is entirely vapor and this is also entirely vapor. Okay, so this is what happens during a phase change of a pure substance, and we have taken the example of water. Right, so I hope you understood this simple phenomena of phase change in a pure substance, water. Now in the next video onwards, we'll look at a term which we annotated in this particular video. We'll start discussing about saturation temperature and saturation pressure in the next video.